Good morning students. Welcome back to our maths class. So students, in our today's class, we will be doing workbook. Right? Workbook page number 57 and HOTS questions. So children, before starting our today's class, let's give a quick recap what we have learned in our last class. So in our last class, we have learned what children? From the workbook, question number 19 and 20. We have learned. Right, I have explained it to you. I hope it is clear to everyone how to calculate the duration, end time, starting time. Alright children. So in our today's class we will be doing the same from the workbook, but that is the WOTS questions. Right, two questions are there, question number 21 and question number 22. So children, everyone refer your workbook and follow the question. Right, so question number 21. Clear what is given? I have written the question. Please go through it. The clock showed 6:15 when Sunil began his maths homework in the evening. The clock showed 6:15. What is the time? 6:15. Alright. When Sunil began his maths homework in the when? Evening. Right? It showed 7:25 when he finished it. At what time he finished? 7:25. At what time he started? 6:15 in the evening. And ending time? 7:25. Alright. Now what the question is asking? Write the start time in the 12-hour format and the end time in the 24-hour format. So already given the starting time. What is the starting time? At what time Sunil began his maths homework in the evening? 6:15. Alright, that is starting time. At what time he finished his homework? 7:25. That is end time. Now the question is asking, write the start time in 12-hour clock format and the end time in 24-hour clock format. So both the timing, start time and end time, you have to write in 12-hour format and in the 24-hour format. I hope the question is clear. Right? So let's do the solution. So what we will write? The time, or you can write the time when Sunil began his maths homework. Maths homework. At what time children, tell me? Yes, it is 6:50. Alright. Next. It showed what? 6:15 in the evening. Okay. Next is what? At what time we finished it? So first one, you have to write the starting time in the when? 12-hour clock format. In 12-hour clock format, the time is 6:15 p.m. Why children we will write p.m.? Because it is given only the clock showed 6:15 when Sunil began his maths homework in the evening. So it is given evening. That's why we will write what? 6:15 p.m. Next is what? It showed 7:25 when he finished it. Homework finished at what time? 7:25. And that time you are writing in 24-hour clock format. End time is what? End time equal to 7:25. Alright. In the 24-hour clock format, the time is what children? You have to add it with 12. Alright. So what is the time in 24-hour clock format? 7 hour plus 12 19. So the answer is what? Timing is 19:25 hour. 19:25 hour. So question given 6:15. Sunil began his maths homework in the evening and he finished it up at 7:25. Right, 7:25. And write the start time in 12-hour clock format. Already you have written. And end time in the 24-hour format. You have written. Alright children. So this is how you have to do. The question is asking this. Right. About the start time in 12-hour format and end time is 24-hour format. I hope it is clear how to do. Okay. So next question is question number 22. Let's start question number 22. Now children, question number 22. Right. What is given? Let's see. The annual function of school A. Right. The annual function of school A starts at 2 p.m. So the annual function of school A starts at 2 p.m. and is expected to last. That means to continue. Last for 2 hours 30 minutes. That means the duration is expected that it will last for how many hours? 2 hours 30 minutes. Right. Annual function of school A. In school B, another school that is B, the annual function starts at 10:30 a.m. 10:30 a.m. in the morning and is expected to last for 3 hours. So the question is asking, when will the annual functions end at both the schools? So two schools are given. The annual function of school A starts at what time? 2 p.m. and is expected to last. That means duration is expected that the function will continue for 2 hours 30 minutes. Right. So start time, duration. In school B, same. The annual function starts at 10:30 a.m. in the morning. This is the starting time. And is expected to last for how many hours? 3 hours. Duration is given how many hours? 3 hours. Now the question is asking, when will the annual function end at both the schools? So to find out the end time, what you have to do children? Do you remember how to find out end time? Start time plus duration. Right. So both the schools we will find out separately. Okay. First we are going to calculate for school A. Then we are going to calculate for school B. Because the starting time and the duration is different. Right. So let's start solution. Start time of school A. Start time of school A equal to how much children at what time? 2 p.m. Duration of the function equal to, this is the duration, 2 hours 30 minutes. Alright, now what you have to find out? We have to find out the end time of school A. End time. How to calculate end time? Start time plus duration. So what is the start time? So the down I will do as for school B. That's why I am writing here. Start time 2 p.m. plus 2 hours 30 minutes. So 2 p.m. plus 2 hours. 2 hours plus at what time children? It comes 2 plus 2, 4. Alright. Then you have to add it up what? 30 minutes. So 4:30 p.m. So school A, the annual function will end at what time? 4:30 p.m. 2 p.m. plus 2 hours 30 minutes. So 2 hours plus 2 hours 4 and plus 30 minutes. So 4:30 p.m. Alright. Now for school B. Start time of School B. At what time started? 10:30 a.m. 10:30 a.m. Then duration of the function equal to how much, children? 3 hours. Now what you have to find out? End time. So again same, start time plus duration. What is the starting time, children? Starting time is 10:30 a.m. plus 3 hours. So from 10:30 a.m. you add 3 hours. We'll get the end time. So 10:30 to 11:30, 1 hour. 11:30 to 12:30, 2 hours. 12:30 to 1:30, 3 hours. So at what time the function get over of school B? Answer is, add it up. From 10:30 you add 3 hours. Yes, the answer is 1:30 p.m. Got it? I hope it is clear. So the start time and end time of two schools given. And at last the question is asking find out the end time. And to calculate the end time, what you have to do? We have to add start time and the duration. Then we will get end time. So the end time of school A, so how much we got? 4:30 p.m. And end time of school B, how much we got? 1:30 p.m. So you have to find out separately. Alright, children? So these are the two questions which I want to explain it with you all. So that is the Hodge question. Kindly you all practice it. Right. Again, today I will be giving you some homework from workbook. Okay, page number 57 and 58. That is about the estimate time. Kindly you do all do it. Alright, children? And some questions you do it by your as a home practice, children. Clear? So next class again we will be continuing workbook only. Okay? Thank you.